I'm Jason Nunez, and let's queer up trans rights. Federal judge says Aetna policy discriminates against trans women over facial feminization surgery. A federal judge has granted a preliminary injunction against Aetna Insurance after 6 transgender women challenged the company's denial of facial feminization surgery, a key gender-affirming procedure. The lawsuit was filed after the women were categorically denied facial feminization surgery, or FFS, under Aetna's internal guidance, Clinical Policy Bulletin 0615, which classifies the procedure as cosmetic and excludes coverage. The ruling currently applies to 2 of the plaintiffs, Dr. Jamie Homnick and Dr. Gennifer Herley, who sought the surgery to treat severe gender dysphoria. Both reported experiencing depression, suicidality, and worsening dysphoria linked to facial masculinization, and neither found relief through puberty blockers or hormone therapy. Judge Victor A. Bolden of the U.S. District Court for the District of Connecticut ordered Aetna to reconsider their claims without enforcing the blanket exclusion, calling the denials discriminatory. Judge Bolden wrote, quote, "To be clear, the issue is not whether Aetna's policies exclusion prohibits this type of gender-affirming care, but rather that Aetna's policy exclusion prohibits only transgender individuals, the only individuals who can experience gender dysphoria, from receiving this type of gender-affirming care," end quote. The decision cites the Supreme Court's 2020 Bostock and Clayton County ruling and provisions of the Affordable Care Act, signaling broader implications for transgender patients nationwide as the case continues through the courts. So let's call it what it is. It is gender-affirming care is healthcare, period.
Yeah.
And, courts are increasingly saying that insurance companies can't just dismiss it as cosmetic. That's their easy way out. And these blanket denials aren't just bureaucratic decisions. They directly impact the dignity and mental health and the safety of all transgender community, all transgender people and their families, because it's not just the transgender person experiencing the dysphoria, experiencing the mental health breakdowns. It's the family that has to pick them up and their friends. So,
the thing is, and we've seen insurance companies do this time and again over the decades, is that they may just cancel all facial surgeries in this category because the crime here, or the violation here, is that they're not offering it to everyone. But if they offer it to no one, according to what we just read here, that would be okay. So it's going to be ugly. It's going to be a nasty fight. But my God, healthcare trans care is healthcare.
Gender-affirming care is healthcare. There is no other queer nonprofit media platform like this in the entire world. Support our LGBTQ stories by sharing them and subscribing to Queer News Tonight.